going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung Galaxy Book with Windows 10. So the easiest way is to log in, and then you just want to go down here, click down here, and you want to go to Samsung Recovery. Okay, you can scroll down and you can look right here. You can look for Samsung Recovery, or even an easier way is just go down here and just type in Recovery. And then you see Samsung Recovery right there. Okay, so just tap on that. Now remember, with a factory reset, you're going to be deleting everything off of your book here. Okay, so if you have anything important, make sure you have a backup. Okay, any way to proceed? Computer capital or computer factory reset. Just go ahead and tap on that, and then you can read right here. It says computer factory reset will delete all files and installed applications. So if you want to proceed, click down here, start factory reset. So let's tap on that. Then you go ahead and click on OK, and it's going to go ahead and restart. All right, booting back up. Message here pops up. Start restore. When you start restore, your data will be deleted. Would you like to start restore now? Yes, I'll click on OK. Restore completed. The system will restart. Click on OK. Let it restart. And finally, the factory reset is complete. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck. Bye.